Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will work on this 12 by 20-inch canvas. I have it on my spinner and I will do a split cup pour. I know, but these split cups should be available for purchase in March, but our manufacturer still didn't manage to get them, so I hope it will be soon. Believe me, I can wait for my baby too. So thanks for being patient. So my colors today are Prussian Phthalo by Amsterdam, my pearl white mixture, greenish blue by Amsterdam, coral by Extreme Sheen, Decor Extreme Sheen. This is Amsterdam Naples Yellow Red Light, and this is Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue, not blue green, green blue. So I will pour this in my cup. I will use 6 chambers today. And maybe I will have to pour twice because this is 12-ounce cup. And maybe I will need some more paint. I have some white flow extender ready too, but we will see. We will go with the flow. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Some intention and some flow. Okay, This takes some time. This is my flow extender. It's a little thinner, but not a whole lot thinner. Want to fill this up. Love it. Mary, you want better on the face. Okay. Now let's walk a little bit. Back to the middle. Walk. And I want to check these corners now because it will stretch, you know, so maybe I will grab some paint. Okay, so I tilted a little more because now I'm kind of more happier because it has this turquoise flow without a white kind of block here, and I love those stretched out lines. I'm happy now, so let me take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. It's hard to show on camera, but it's gorgeous, and it will dry gorgeous because of that iridescent green, blue, and the coral. It's metallic, and the pearl white created some of this really gorgeous puffy lines, and this part is just amazing. Love it. I love that a lot. Some weird cells popping, but okay with that. Not sure about this part, but obviously she or he or it wants to live in my painting, so hopefully it will be dry till tomorrow that I can show you the dried results. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye! So here is a close-up of the dried results. And sorry for the glare. I thought that I will be able to show the iridescent and the shimmer a little bit. You can see this green blue iridescent from Pebeo. It's green here, it's blue here. You see that? Blue, green. So hard on camera with those iridescent colors. This part still bothers me a little bit. Maybe I will cover it, I don't know. But I'm happy with the movement. I'm happy with those dark blue lines in white. I love it. This is it for today. I still have some paints left, so I will do a straight pour with the same colors and we will see the difference, kind of. So thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.